I'm Dustin Primm, and this is my ASU-N story. I really found out what I wanted to do around my senior year. It's when I last picked up the welder, and thought I'm gonna make a career out of this. I mean, some people are just not cut out for the 4-year program, or I just took the way to make more money faster and get on with my life instead of putting myself in debt. It's really inexpensive to go here and do this school. I didn't know that welding took a lot of math when I first went into it, and I thought, well, maybe I can't do this now because I'm not good with math. But it turns out I really am. I just found out how to do it. It's simple math, but it works. But I thought that was a big hurdle I was going to have to overcome, but I overcame it. Now I feel I can make a career out of it. Everybody's needing more welders, and there's about to be a big opening because most of the welders now are about to retire. I like that I get to work with my hands, and I like the accuracy. I have OCD like that, and I just have to have things perfect. So you never know what you like until you do it. So just put yourself out there. I mean, you have the rest of your life to figure out what you want to do. Just take time, figure out who you are. Just best advice I can give. I'm Dustin Primm, and that was my ASU-N story.